Meaning of joule.
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 Joule. Joule is a unit of measurement used to quantify energy. 1 joule is defined as the amount of energy expended when a force of 1 Newton is applied over a distance of 1 meter. It is named after James Prescott Joule, a British physicist who studied the relationship between heat, energy, and mechanical work in the mid-19th century. The joule is commonly used to measure energy in scientific and engineering applications, and is also frequently used in everyday life to describe the energy content of food or the power output of electrical devices.